This video will guide you through installation instructions for your fairing. A fairing will help protect you from the wind and rain, ensuring a more comfortable ride. Your fairing will come with installation instructions and a hardware kit that includes fairing assembly hardware and headlight relocation hardware. For installation, you will need a screwdriver, socket wrench, and torque wrench. First, assemble the fairing and use the installation instructions to see the correct configuration for your specific bike. If applicable, install the headlight relocation bracket. Once the fairing is assembled, place it around the headlight, allowing the headlight to sit inside the headlight opening. Place and adjust the fairing into the desired position, making sure all the brackets are secure. Finally, torque the bracket according to the manufacturer's torque settings. Congratulations! You have installed the Viking motorcycle fairing, and now you are ready to ride.